Oh, hey there, boys and girls. We have day number 4 of our January daily math. Number 1, write a multiplication equation that is related to this division example. So 4 equals 28 divided by something. So we can flip that around. Knowing our commutative property of multiplication, we know that this number could interchange with this number, and then it's the same answer, right? So 28 divided by something is 4, or 28 divided by 4 is something. So what is 28 divided by 4? Into 4 equal pieces. 7. Very good. Okay, so down here we're going to say something times something equals something. So here we know that 4 times 7 equals 28. All right. Number 2, round 355 to the nearest 10. So we know right here, 355, and I'm going to write it out here again too. We're looking at this number to start. That's in our tens place, and it says round to the nearest 10. So 350, when we say it, 350 is going to be one of our two possible choices. 1 more than 5 is 6, and 360 would be our other one. So now what we do is we look next door, okay? And if this is the number 4 or less, we let it rest down to the first choice, the one that we say. If it's 5 or more, which it is, 5 or more, raise the score. So we know that it has to go up to 360. Okay, number 3, snow days last fall. Snow days! School is closed. According to this graph, how many snow days were there last year? So in December, there were 2. January, now this is halfway between 2 and 4, so that little mark is a 3, right? And February is on the 4, okay? And March is down here on 1. So how many snow days total were there? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were a total of 10 snow days. So how many snow days? 10 snow days. Peter lives in Florida. No snow here. On Saturday, Peter rode his bike 1 mile to a friend's house. Then he rode back home. On Sunday, he rode 3 times as far as he rode on Saturday. How many total miles did he ride on Saturday and Sunday? So I see how many, and I see total miles. So let's see, how many did he go on Saturday? So he rode his bike 1 mile to a friend's house, and then he rode back home. So if it's 1 mile one way, and he comes back home, then it's 2 miles, right? So for Saturday, he rode 2 miles. On Sunday, he rode 3 times as far as he rode on Saturday. So 3 times, well, 3 times 2 for what he rode on Saturday. So 3 times 2 is 6. Notice that's not our answer, though, is it? Because 6 only gives us how many miles he rode on Sunday. But the question is asking us, how many total miles did he ride on Saturday and Sunday? So now we add them up. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 miles total. 2-part question. Those get tricky, don't they? Okay, on the graph above, if January had 1 more snow day and February had 2 less, how many total snow days would there have been last year? Okay, so we know there was 10 the way it is now, right? And there's how many total snow days? Okay, so we know there's 10 last year, but this is saying that January had 1 more snow day. So instead of 3, January would have 4. And February had 2 less. So February had 4. So now February only has 2. So there's only going to be 1 less snow day total. The 2 doesn't change. The 1 doesn't change. The 3 goes to 4. The 4 goes down to 2. So we can still add them up. So 2 and 4 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snow days. So basically, by taking 1 more and 2 less, we have 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 goes up, 2 down, right? So if you're counting on a number line, you could start at 10 snow days like this, okay? And you're at a 10, and then 1 more would put you at 11, and then 2 less would bring you back down to 9. Okay, boys and girls, great job on day 4. We'll see you tomorrow for day 5.